Today we are working on a Nissan Versa. We're going to be doing the low beam headlight bulb. Make sure you identify the bulb. This is the low beam here, this is our high beam, this is our turn signal, and this is the side marker bulb. So let's jump into popping that guy out and get a new one in. First thing, also wear protection, throw some gloves on. If you touch these bulbs with your bare hands, they can break. And that is the high beam, this is the low beam, this is the one we want to do. And there's a little clip right there. That guy pries outwards. You can do it with a finger, you can do it with a screwdriver. Let me show you what that looks like. And that pries this way out. Don't press in, press out. That pops off there. And we have our bulb. This is going to rotate. And this one's a little sticky. So you have to, they generally don't take a lot of force, but for some reason this one is a little funky. So it rotates, you saw the direction it rotates there. From this direction, it's counterclockwise. We pop our bulb out, then we grab a new bulb, throw it in there, and get it lined up with our spots, and rotate, and it'll pop into place. Throw our connector on there, and there we go. That's how you do a low beam headlight bulb. I'll put a link in the description for that bulb, and we'll see you next time.